Beta updates like iOS 26 and iOS 26 promise exciting improvements, but they can also bring unexpected issues. One of the most common complaints iOS 26 beta battery drain. If your iPhone suddenly struggles to last through the day, you are not alone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix iOS 26 battery drain. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches that might be causing battery drain. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the button. Wait for your iPhone restart fully. Solution 2. Activate low power mode. Low power mode helps save battery by limiting background activity and visual effects. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll and tap on the battery option. Find low power mode and turn on the toggle to activate it. Solution 3. Identify battery draining apps. Some apps may use more battery than others, causing iOS 26 beta battery drain. Open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap battery to open battery uses details. Under battery uses by app, review the list to see which apps consume the most power. Consider closing or limiting use of high drain apps. Solution 4. Check battery health. Go to settings on your iPhone. Navigate to battery and then tap battery health and charging. Check the maximum capacity. If it's over 80%, your battery is still in good condition. If the maximum capacity is below 80%, it's a sign that your battery has degraded and should be replaced. Solution 5. Turn off background app refresh. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh. If it's turned on, select off. Solution 6. Reset all settings. To do this, launch settings app. Next tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap reset all settings. Again tap reset all settings to confirm this process. In this way you can easily reduce your iPhone's battery drain. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.